Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Janice Granil Talod. I'm 26 years old from Bagabag, Nueva Vizcaya, Philippines. I am married and blessed with two sons, ages 8 years old and 2 years old. I am a high school graduate and I work here in the Philippines as a housekeeper nanny since 2017 up to 2023. I serve 3 members of the family, a working couple, and a 3 years old child. My primary duties are taking care of the child, cleaning the house, cooking, washing, and ironing clothes. I am also good at child care and a newborn care. I am honest, hardworking, patient, caring, motivated, and disciplined person. Ma'am and Sir, if you give me an opportunity to work with your family, I promise I will work hard and take care of your family as my own. And so, Ma'am and Sir, I hope you can consider my willingness to work with your family in the near future. Thank you and God bless.